How to upload Facebook profile picture without cropping. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type image resizer for Facebook. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now scroll down and click on select images. Now select a photo and click on add. Now tap on resize image. Now simply tap on stretch. Now scroll down and click on download. Now go back to the home screen, open up Facebook, tap on the profile. Now tap on the profile picture. Now tap on choose profile picture. Now select the downloaded image and tap on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.